Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here scroll down to the very bottom and find About Device. Then we have to scroll down and find the version and keep tapping on the version number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back and enter System and Update and find developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, show visual feedback for tabs, or here we've got some options connected with the networking. To turn on the feature, simply tap on the switch on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top, and they will be deactivated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.